how to download Instagram highlights. So if you want to quickly go ahead and download your Instagram highlights, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Instagram and go to your account. Now, once you're in your account, if you want to download a highlight of yours, what you're going to do is, let's say I'm going to open this up. And once your highlights are opening up, you can simply go ahead and save a highlight by clicking on more. And once you click on more, it should generally give you the save option. So you can send this to someone, or what you can do is you're going to click on copy link. Okay. So once you click on copy link, that will give you the link for it to, be spread it here and there. So click on send, click on copy link. Now, once you click on copy link, you're going to go to your Safari. And once you go to your Safari, here you're going to write Instagram story downloader. Okay, you're going to write that. And, you're going to go to story saver. And once you go over here, you're simply going to go ahead and add the link in for the story or the post or whatever you want downloaded. Okay, so just go ahead to websites. Okay, and you're going to paste the Instagram link. So I'm going to simply come here and I'm going to add the link. There we go. And you're going to obviously click on this. And once you click on the forward button, it should give you the story that you are looking for. All right, so yeah, it could be stories, reels, or anything that you want. So that's pretty much about it, and that is how you can go ahead and download highlights from Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.